In today's digital age, making money from home has never been easier. With the rise of affiliate marketing, anyone can turn their website or social media presence into a profitable venture. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a company's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through a unique affiliate link. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the easiest ways to make money from home with affiliate marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel, share your thoughts and experiences with a particular niche and promote related affiliate products to your audience. Utilize social media, share affiliate links on your social media channels and reach a large audience with little effort. Review products, write in-depth reviews of products and include affiliate links to the products you recommend. Offer discounts, partner with companies to offer exclusive discounts to your audience through your affiliate link. Host giveaways, run a giveaway and include the option to earn extra entries by making a purchase through your affiliate link. Create how-to guides, share your expertise and knowledge by creating helpful guides and including affiliate links to the products used. Promote seasonal products, take advantage of seasonal trends and promote products related to holidays, events, and special occasions. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank to access a large variety of products to promote. Use email marketing, share affiliate links in your email newsletters and reach your subscribers directly in their inboxes. Collaborate with influencers, partner with influencers in your niche and promote each other's products and services. Affiliate marketing offers an easy and flexible way to make money from home. From starting a blog to utilizing social media, there are countless opportunities to promote products and earn a commission for each sale. By following these simple ideas, anyone can turn their online presence into a profitable venture and start making money from home with affiliate marketing. So why not give it a try today and turn your passion into profit?